r cross b and b is equal to b0 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap is a constant vector and r is the position vector. The value of integral f dot curved integral f dot dr we required. Then first you find this r cross b, right? F we want to find. F is equal to what? R cross b. How we find r cross b? F is equal to, that r is the position vector, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap cross, what is b0? B is equal to b0 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap, right? Then what is f now? b0 taken out, it is a constant, I cap, j cap, k cap, right? X, y, z 1 1 1, right? So I can write f is equal to b0 into I cap, right, y minus z minus j cap into, right, x minus z plus k cap into, right, x minus y, right? All right. Now our aim is to find the f dot dr. Then what is this? Dr is in the xy plane. So what I can write? So f dot dr. What is dr? F dot dr means, so this dot dr. How dr we represent? Dxi cap plus dy j cap. Alright. So I can write this as dxi cap plus dy j cap. Alright. Now I cap, this is y minus z into dx, right? So curved integral y minus z into dx, alright? And here minus x minus z into, right, minus x minus z into dy, right? Now look here, this is curved integral, but this plane, this circle is located at, here x coordinate is there, y coordinate is there, this is located in xy plane, z value is what? 0. Then you can put there curved integral y dx minus, right, z0 x dy. Alright. Now what is, now we can convert here, look here, y is equal to what? Suppose in plane polar coordinate system, x is equal to, suppose a point you consider here, then x is equal to r cos theta, then the radius, right, unit radius given, right, then x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, but radius is 1. Then what is dx? Then x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta. Then what about dx? Dx is equal to minus sin theta, dy is equal to what? Cos theta, right? Now substitute that value here, alright? Then by substituting these values here, curved integral, but theta value is varying from 0 to 2 pi. Suppose this is theta, this theta can vary from this 0 to 2 pi, right? So you can take integral 0 to 2 pi. I can write it here, integral 0 to 2 pi. What is y? Y is sin theta, right? Dx is minus sin theta. Then minus sin square theta, right, minus x is cos theta, right, and dy is cos theta, right, then minus cos square theta into, right, d theta, right, d theta, because when we find dx by d theta, that is cos theta, then dy is cos theta d theta, dx is sin theta d theta, then that d theta come here, right? Then sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. Now d theta on integration, so minus is out, right? we can take this minus out, right, minus is out. Now integral d theta, then here look here, theta is on integration theta, right, theta on giving theta limit is 0 to 2 pi. For that, for a circle theta is varying from 0 to 2 pi, alright, then minus 2 pi, and the initial starting onwards we kept one b0 out, right, that b0 also come, then minus 2 pi b0 is the answer, alright.